I have so many items, a lot of colors, and as you can see, I'm not in the UK. Alhamdulillah. My beautiful huns, I hope you guys are all doing well. So I'm currently vacationing in Zathanos. My view right now is absolutely stunning. So we landed a few days ago. First few days we were chilling, but now we're actually going to go out and do stuff, and I have so many new bits that I ordered for this holiday, and I thought I would do a holiday vacation haul. One, because I want to start wearing these items, but two, a lot of these are available. I have a mixture of high-end to high street, as well as some small black-owned brands as well, so I think you guys are going to enjoy this. If this is the first video of mine that you're watching, hi, my name is Belle Michelle. I do videos around fashion and travel, and then I sprinkle in sometimes a little bit of extra anything else I want to speak about, whether that be personal finance, hair, just general life talks, a few vlogs here and there, a lot of travel vlogs because this channel is about travel. Yeah, if you're not already subscribed, I think that you should, because I think you're going to enjoy this channel. So the first items I got is actually a two-piece, and it's from Gaia. Gaia is an amazing resort wear brand. Whenever I look at their pieces, I'm just like, oh my god. Whenever I'm going on holiday, I just go on their website, or I go on Farfetch, because they have a few Gaia items, you know, Farfetch, Matches, Net-a-Porter, just to see new season Gaia, because they are like, when you think of vacation, there are a few brands I think of: Gaia, Andrea Iyama, Virgos Lounge. Yeah, those are the three places I think of, and ASOS, because ASOS does have, like, for the high street, ASOS has really good resort wear items. But anyway, in Gaia, I got this two-piece, so it's in this beautiful tangerine orange color, which is one of my favorite colors. So it's this midi skirt, and there is a slit on the side, just a little short slit, and then it also comes with this tie thing at the top, which is very, very in. This is very Y2K 90s sort of vibe. The orange, tangerine orange, is perfect for holidays and looks amazing on dark skin. And then I got the matching crop top as well, and this also has like a halter bit, and then also has an under section that you can tie at the bottom. I got the top from Selfridges because Selfridges was doing a sale, and I think the original price of this was about 180 pounds, I think. Don't quote me, but definitely like near the 200 pound mark, and I got it for about 80 pounds in the Selfridges sale. There were a few sizes left, so I'm gonna link everything in the description bar below, but I would really recommend you guys following me over on my Instagram, because whenever I buy stuff and there's a really good discount, you guys know me, I love a discount, and I'm always on the lookout for a discount. So whenever I find one, I always share it on my Instagram, because it's easier to share in real time on Instagram or even TikTok than it is on YouTube. I also got the skirt on sale on Flannels, and Flannels had the top and the skirt, and I was gonna buy them both from Flannels, but I think the top and the skirt was like 130 for the top, and then 100, I think 20 for the skirt. And then I saw on Selfridges the top was actually around 80 pounds, so win-win situation. But yeah, together, so gorgeous, just such a gorgeous co-ord. Absolutely love this. So when I think holiday, I think of linen, because it's such a breathable material. Sorry, I keep on looking at the view because there's like this big boat. A lot of people are sailing right now. But yeah, when I think of vacation or summer, I think of linen, because it's so breathable. It also dries very quickly when it gets wet. It does wrinkle, like linen wrinkles so badly. There's not even a point in ironing linen, but yeah, it's really breathable, dries really easily, so it's perfect for holidays. So I got this two-piece set. So first, it's this linen shirt in this stone color, and both of these are from Warehouse, and it's in this short sleeve. Actually, I forgot to mention, some of these items have been gifted to me. Any items that have been gifted, I'm gonna put a star in the description bar below. It just makes it easier for me rather than having to remember what was gifted and what I bought. But the majority of items I did buy, but there are a few gifted pieces, like this was gifted to me. But yeah, it's this linen short sleeve top. I got the shirt in a bigger size so I can use it as like a cover up when I'm wearing bikinis or swimwear, and the trousers have a drawstring. The quality of this set is so amazing. I bought a few linen items for this holiday. I even have a linen shirt that I'm going to show you guys that I got from Mango, and you guys know Mango is my favorite store on the high street, but the quality of that shirt is like, it's not trash, but like compared to this, it's like, but it's still good. But that just lets you know that this is amazing. And we have a few boat tours that we're doing, and this I know will just be amazing as a cover up over my swimwear stuff. But also I know I can make like a cute outfit out of this, especially with the trousers. Moving away from the co-ords from a bit, I got this swimsuit, and this is from, I hope I pronounced this correctly, there's no R, Boux Avenue. I believe it's known for more bra, lingerie, you know, underwear type situations, but they do swimwear. And I got this really really gorgeous tangerine orange swimsuit. Number one, I love the fact that it's like a high thigh, and then it has this cutout in the middle here, also has a cutout at the back. Ladies, if you have big boobs like me, like if you're part of the big and busty crew, when it comes to swimwear, you have to invest. Like you're gonna have to spend a tiny bit of money, because I even bought some swimwear items from PLT and also Shein for this trip, because I just wanted like a few cute pieces I didn't have to spend too much money on, and the items were just, they were not holding my boobs, there was string, things weren't tying properly, it was a hot mess. And then I saw this, and I think this was about £45, and it's amazing. Like it holds my boobs so well. The material is amazing, like everything is just sucked and tucks in the right place. I say all that to say, this is absolutely amazing, and the color, you know what I'm gonna say, orange and dark skin. We'll love to see it. Next up, I got this white top from a brand called LYNN. So I also got this in the Selfridges sale. Super affordable. And then I was looking on Instagram, and they have quite a few nice items, especially for like the summer period. So I got this because I have these green shorts from ASOS that I also brought, and I thought this would pair quite well with them. And it has these, like, I don't know what this is called, like these feather protrusion type situation. But it's basically a halter top, and then it also has a bit of an open back situation. And yeah, with those green shorts, I just think it's gonna look so cute, and the quality is like super nice as well. No matter where, well, 80% of the time when you're going on a holiday, you need that one standout, like bedazzled type dress, and I found that in Virgos Lounge. When I put this dress up, it's not gonna look like much, however this dress is so gorgeous. So it's this pink midi dress. It has a, does it have a split? No, it doesn't have a split. I might take it to my tailor and put a split in it. But anyway, it has these cutouts on the side, and then this is the boob area, so you can see there's like cutouts here. I love the color so much. I like the fact that it's pink, but then it has these little pops of yellow and these like nudes and then silver. But then even if you're a gold type of girl like me, you can wear it with gold jewelry because you've got the yellow bits. When I saw this on the Virgos Lounge website, I said I have to have this for my holiday. You guys know I love Virgos Lounge. Virgos Lounge is one of my favorite brands in general, the occasion wear brands. I have been rocking with them since I started this channel, like around university. I think I have a whole lookbook around a skirt, one of the first skirts that I bought from Virgos Lounge, and I love the fact that they're black owned as well. Sticking with the theme of dresses, I have like quite a few dresses because I'm a dresses and skirts type of girl. I got this dress, I think this is from Oasis. So it's this halter neck dress, and it's in this, is this sage green? I believe this is sage green. For someone who loves colors, I'm like really bad at like remembering the names of those unique colors. I really like this dress. So it's a maxi dress. It's very airy, number one, and also I like the fact that it's a halter neck, so like your back is completely exposed, you know, a halter neck situation, got a bit of cleavage going on. Yeah, I really like it, and it's just airy and so simple yet so effective, and just perfect for a holiday. Like so perfect for a holiday. Maxi dresses just scream holiday resort wear vibes. The next dress I got is from Karen Millen. I love this dress. Now this dress is actually a bit big. I got it in a size 14, and I forgot that I'm losing weight, so I think I'm back down to a size 12, but I can make it work. I bought some safety pins, so I'm just gonna safety pin the neck string thing together. But anyway, this is what it looks like. It is in this gorgeous green sort of tie-dye, not really tie-dye slash leafy green situation. This is what it looks like, and it's a maxi dress. The bottom is slightly pleated, and it's in this sort of chiffon material, so airy. Once again, perfect for a holiday. But I love this because this is definitely something that I'd be able to wear in London as well during those hot summer days. I love a chiffon maxi dress. Absolutely adore a chiffon maxi dress. And then the last dress, I did tell you guys there are a few dresses in this haul because I'm a dress type of girl, what can I say? The last dress is this halter neck dress. This is also from Karen Millen. Now initially I was umming and ahhing about this dress because I don't like the, well, now I'm okay with it, but initially I was like, this chain detailing, like what the hell is this? It's giving Camden Market, it's giving Wrigley Road Market. I'm going, what is this? However, when I put it on, I said I like it. Like it was giving me resort wear. It was giving me like 40 plus wife married to a 70-year-old who's just living her best life. She's a housewife on your husband's yacht. I go to Pilates, my kids have a nanny type situation. That's what it was giving me. So I think that's a plane going over. Absolutely love it. And also it has splits on each side. We have a boat day tomorrow, so I think I might wear this. I've got this and I have like a full white dress, but I think I might wear this because I want a picture with this on a boat. This was the orange linen shirt I was speaking to you guys about, the one I got from Mango. So the quality of this is really nice, really nice. However, just compared to the warehouse one, I think the warehouse one is just like 15 out of 10 and this is like a 9 out of 10 situation. But I love the color. Like even today I'm wearing this dress and I could literally just pop it over like this, and well, not like this, but you get what I mean. Like it's a good cover up. This actually comes with matching shorts, but the shorts didn't arrive in time, but that's fine because I have a few more trips this year, so I'll probably wear the full set on like one of my other trips. But this alone would be like a good cover up with. I have so many different swimwear items that I could cover this up with, so yeah. Absolutely love it. And then lastly, I have these shoes, which are from Nasty Gal. So I really wanted a pair of white shoes. I forgot the name of the brand. I think it's called Song of Stone or something across those lines. I'm so sorry if you can hear my husband speaking in the background, but we're nearly done anyway. They had this sort of shoe, but if I had ordered that shoe, it wouldn't have come in time. So instead, I found an alternative, which was this one on Nasty Gal. And I think this was quite affordable as well. So yeah, it was the heel for me, and the heel is like a very good height. For holidays, I don't like wearing like long heels. Like let me tell you something, even if you bring long heels on a holiday, I highly doubt you use them. Any holiday where I've ever bought long heels, I've never used them. So this heel height is perfect for me, and I love the unique heel, and they're super comfortable. Super comfortable as well. So those are all the items that I got for my holiday. If you want to see these items in motion, make sure you're following me over on my Instagram page, and you'll also see a lot of my travel photos, reels and all that stuff over my Instagram. And like I said, whenever I find a good bargain, I always share it on my Instagram first, just because it's super easy, or even on my TikTok. So make sure you're following me over on there as well. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I hope you are having a wonderful day wherever you are. I hope the sun is shining. I hope you're getting some vitamin D. I hope you're glowing. I hope you're having an absolute glorious summer. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys all in my next video. Bye. Oh, and if you haven't already subscribed, then click that subscribe button right there, and also make sure you click the bell button so that you never miss an upload from me and you have your notifications turned on. If you like this video, I think you might like this video here, or possibly this video here, click on either of those and let me continue to entertain you. I hope you have a good morning, evening, afternoon, or whatever time you're watching this video, and I'll see you all in my next video.